Welcome back everyone. Thank you all for joining me again with another tutorial. Okay, so you just installed your WordPress website. Now it's time for me to show you how to log in and log out of your website. Okay, so for instance, say if you have visited your website, right? You want to take a look at it and see how it looks. Okay, if you look here on top, you see your bar right here. You can log out. This right here, when you see this right above your website on the header area, that means you are still logged in your website. Okay, so you can log out your website from here, or you can simply go back to your dashboard, or if you were on your dashboard, you can simply hover over here where it says howdy, whatever your username is, and log out from there. Okay, so let's go ahead and log out. Okay, as you can see, okay, it's where it says you're now logged out. Okay, let me show you how to log into your website. Okay, in your browser, you need your website name, which is mine is mypetfanpage.com, and you may have installed the WordPress website only within this perimeter. Okay, I've installed the WordPress website within the directory, but some people may install their website just within the home page of the website. Okay, but I've installed mine within the directory, so it's going to look different. In your case, you may have installed it in the website area, so you will only have WP, which means WordPress login.php. Okay, that is the perimeter that you need in order to log into your website. Okay, for me, since I've installed the WordPress website software within example 1 / since I've installed it in that directory, in this directory, and I named it example 1, I must put another / and put in WP login.php. Okay, because this whole parameter here is my WordPress website, because I installed it within this parameter. But if you did not install it within a directory, you don't need to add this parameter. Of course, you would just have it WP login.php. Okay, I hope we're clear on that. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my WordPress website in which I installed the software. Okay, and from here, when I registered, I made my username as admin, and my password, your password, in which your password as well, will go here. So you put in your username and your password and press login. Okay, and that is how you log into your WordPress website. Okay, you need that. You need your website, and you need to put in WP login.php. All right, so that is how you log in and log out of your website, your WordPress website. Okay, so check back with more of my tutorials that I'll be showing you in the future. Thank you all for joining me again. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.